Okay, so in this section, what we are going to look at is how to navigate your courses subsequently. After you've entered the classroom, the next time you want to join a class, you don't need to go to the courses before you go to the classroom. Now, if I go to my profile, you will realize that under live learning, there's a section called classrooms. So I can just go to classrooms and then I'll see all the classrooms I am in. Okay, so let's just say that I want to enter the tax audit and investigations classroom. I just click the tax audit and investigation classroom, and then I see myself in the tax audit and investigation classroom. That is all. So you can always navigate to the classroom and just click it, and then you get access to the classroom directly. So any classroom you are in, when you come back, let's say advanced taxation practice, I'm in this classroom as well, and Kofi Bracco has just posted hello guys. So I can give an AI reply, use as reply, right? So once the AI generates this, you can copy and use it as a reply, right? So I can copy and just come here and then click send. Okay, so I have sent it. So the AI is there to um, give you AI replies. You can equally delete the message. So it's up to you. Now, if there's any active meeting, if the lecturer schedules any active meeting, you are going to see it. It's going to also send you an email, which you can click to join, or you see it on this dashboard in the classroom. Then you can click to join. So that is basically it. Even for live meetings, you can check if there's a live meeting upcoming, you see it here. And if there are any meeting recordings, you will see the recordings will appear here. Watch recording, watch recording, watch recording. So this one, there was a class, I can just click watch recording and it takes me to my classroom to actually watch the recording from the classroom. So recording is being processed. You will be notified when it is ready. Okay, so any recording that has gone on live, so far as you are in that classroom, the recordings will display here for you to have access to them. So basically, this is what it is about.